literally just waiting to be boarded on my plane and be off to Atlanta. If you haven't watched part 1, go ahead and watch part 1, because what are you doing watching part 2 without watching part 1, guys? It's going to be in the link below, so go and watch the video.
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there.
Today I'm going to get some Crocs. I'm actually excited to get Crocs. Like, I've had the Croc charms for a hot sec now, and I can finally put them on the Crocs. Today's look, guys, I don't know who told me to straighten my hair in this heat. Like, it's so humid. Like, I don't know, I think my hair is starting to, you know, get frizzy really quick. Before I came, I didn't even do a check to see if they had them here or in my size even. So I'm just hoping that they're here and even in my size, because I want a pair of Crocs. Like, no, I don't even want them. I need a pair of Crocs now. Like, I need a pair. They got white. The Crocs that I just seen, they look like they're kids' Crocs. I see another rack of Crocs. Y'all, I'm so happy. But they're white though. Wait a minute. Guys, there's actually so many Crocs. Like, look at the Crocs. I got the Crocs. I don't think the white ones were making too much sense. I think they're a bit boring. I think these are more my vibe. Guys, so now I'm in TJ Maxx and I'm literally just here to buy some earrings. These are cute earrings. I might just get these because I'm trying to get into gold right now. So I finally found a pair of earrings that I actually like.
I've never seen that on screen.
Yeah, because I'm from the UK, so this card is from the UK. Yeah. So I finally got myself some cute pairs of earrings, which I really like. Okay guys, so I just came back from shopping, little shop, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I didn't bring my ring light to Atlanta, so I apologize for the lighting. We're using natural sunlight right now. These are the Crocs. I just find them so cute. Like, I love the color pink, and then it's pink like tie-dye. Like, I love it. First, I got the love heart. Obviously, I bought 2, so one is gonna go on each. It kind of blends in, like, that's the love heart. It blends in perfectly to the thing. So I can't believe I'm actually excited to do this. Like, I'm excited. I'm excited to design my Crocs, like, really. And then the diamond, I'm gonna put that on the right pair. This is what they look like. I'm gonna get the Croc like chain, because I think that's like really cute. So I'm gonna get the Croc chain and obviously do that. Like, let me put them on right now. Oh guys, they actually look cute and they're so comfy. Like, they're really comfortable. I love them. And these are what I got from TJ Maxx. Get them out the box. This is what they look like. They're gold. Like, I've been trying to get into gold for so long now, so I'm actually really happy that I picked up a couple gold pieces. Then I got these, which are also gold, because y'all know I have so many piercings. Like, I've got 3 on this side, I've got another 3 on this side, and I've got 2 here, and I've got 2 here. But the thing is, I've not been wearing these 3 for a long time, so I kind of want to make sure that they're not closing up, so I decided to get some new jewelry. I'm sick and tired of seeing my ears look so boring. Like, I got all of these piercings for a reason, so I could wear pretty jewelry. I'm gonna put my earrings on camera, because why not? It's a vlog. You guys should be with me through every step of the way. So this is what I do. Just put some alcohol under like this and like rub my ear. I was just thinking to myself now, like, when I'm singing Nicki's songs, I can sing it with chest. Like, if it's a conference, then I bring the Crocs out. Like, If it's a conference, then I bring the Crocs out. Is it a conference? Because I bring the Crocs out.
If it's a complex, then I bring the Crocs out.
Like, let me know, because I got Crocs now. I'm gonna put these in first. Before, I was actually gonna like sterilize the earrings, like put them in salt water, just so they can like be clean. But I only kind of go to that extreme measure when the piercing that I'm putting it in is new and there's like a higher chance of me getting an infection. But with these old piercings, like, girl, I had these for years now. Like, I got these pierced when I was like 2 years old. And like the rest of them, like these two, like I've had them for a good like 5 years now. So again, I don't think I have to go to the extreme measure. This is what I look like with gold earrings. That's so cute. I've never wore gold jewelry. So it's a new thing for me. And yes, I'm doing gold and silver. We're mixing it up because why not? Is it giving? I don't know. I don't know. Like, is it because I'm not used to wearing earrings like I used to? Like, I'm trying to like, y'all ever do that? Like, pose in the mirror so like you can see if like you like the way you look. Like, when I wear hoops in my ears, they're not usually this thick. Like, they're like skinny. Like the ones I just took off. Let me show you. Usually the hoops are like this thin. So this is what the earrings are looking like. I don't know, like it's cute, I guess. It's better than nothing, because if these don't go in my ear, then my ear piercing takes me a while to get used to things. Like even these eyelashes, I just tried them and you know, I wasn't really feeling them at the start, but then now I really like how they look. So I don't know, maybe I just have to wait to like the earrings. It's fine. It's okay to not be that what's the word? It's okay to not like something when you see it at the start. Girl, I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, what I've even done also, I've removed my belly piercing because it was starting to reject and I don't want it to fall out by rejection, but this is what it looks like. It's just like a little dot. But yeah,